Welcome to my channel. Connecting your computer to Bluetooth speakers is a simple process, but many people still struggle with the steps or encounter challenges that can easily be solved with the right guidance. In this video, you will learn every detail you need to know, from preparing your computer for pairing to ensuring that your Bluetooth speakers deliver the best possible sound quality. You will also understand how to troubleshoot common issues that might arise during the connection process and how to maintain a strong and stable wireless audio connection. By the end of this video, you will be fully equipped to enjoy seamless music, movies, and presentations through your Bluetooth speakers. Before you begin the connection process, it is important to check whether your computer has built-in Bluetooth capability, which most modern computers include, although some older devices may require an external Bluetooth adapter. Once you confirm that Bluetooth is available, make sure that your operating system is up to date, because system updates often improve device compatibility and audio performance. You should also ensure that your Bluetooth speakers are fully charged or connected to power, because a weak battery can interfere with pairing stability and may reduce audio quality. When everything is ready, you can proceed with the pairing process confidently. On Windows computers, you can start by opening the Settings panel and navigating to the Devices section, where you will find Bluetooth options that allow you to add a new device. When Bluetooth is turned on, your computer will begin searching for nearby devices automatically, so make sure your Bluetooth speaker is in pairing mode. Depending on the model, you may need to press and hold a pairing button or switch the device into Bluetooth mode until you hear a sound or see a flashing light. Once the computer recognizes the speaker, you can select it from the list and wait a few seconds for the connection to complete, after which you can test the audio output. If you are using a Mac computer, the process is just as straightforward, because macOS provides a dedicated Bluetooth section in the system settings that displays all available and connected devices. When your Bluetooth speaker is in pairing mode, it should appear in the device list, allowing you to select it and initiate the connection. Mac computers usually connect very quickly to Bluetooth audio devices, but if the pairing takes longer than expected, you can turn Bluetooth off and on again to refresh the device list. Once connected, you can choose the speaker as your audio output device from the sound settings or the quick access control panel. At this stage, if this video is interesting, take a moment to subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Turn on notifications so that you will not miss my next video. And engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. After successfully connecting your Bluetooth speakers to your computer, you can begin adjusting your audio settings to achieve the best performance, especially if you use your speakers for movies, games, or music playback. You may want to adjust the system volume, fine-tune equalizer settings if available, or modify sound enhancement features that some computers provide. Because Bluetooth speakers come in different designs and sound profiles, experimenting with these settings can make your listening experience much more enjoyable and personalized. You can also explore advanced features such as stereo pairing, multi-device connectivity, or custom mobile applications that some speaker brands offer. In some cases, you may experience issues such as sound delays, audio cutting out, pairing failure, or low volume even when the computer and speaker appear to be connected. These issues are usually easy to fix by moving your computer closer to the speaker, removing physical obstacles, updating drivers, or restarting the Bluetooth service. Another common solution is to disconnect other nearby Bluetooth devices, because too many active Bluetooth signals can interfere with performance. Resetting your speaker to factory settings can also resolve persistent pairing issues, especially when you are switching between multiple devices frequently. If your computer does not detect your Bluetooth speakers at all, you may need to double-check whether the speaker is in the correct pairing mode or whether it is already connected to a different device such as a smartphone. Disconnecting the speaker from other devices usually resolves this. You should also restart your computer's Bluetooth adapter or reinstall Bluetooth drivers if they appear to be malfunctioning. In rare situations, security software or outdated operating systems can interfere with device discovery, so updating your system can help immensely. After these steps, your computer should be able to detect and pair with your speakers successfully. Once your Bluetooth speakers are connected, you can enjoy the convenience of wireless audio for entertainment, online meetings, study sessions, or outdoor activities. You can move around freely without worrying about audio cables or limited mobility, which makes Bluetooth speakers ideal for a flexible work or entertainment environment. If you frequently use Bluetooth devices, consider organizing your Bluetooth settings by renaming devices or removing old connections. This helps your computer recognize your preferred speakers faster and reduces connection errors. Finally, before you leave, do not forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Turn on notifications so that you will not miss my next video. Also, engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Visit my channel to watch more helpful videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe now.